What are the top places to check out in Otay Ranch Town Center? Find out next on Jaycation. Hi Santa! Hi, Merry Christmas! What's up Jaycationers? Welcome back to another video here in the San Diego series. Today we are down south here at Otay Ranch Town Center. Right behind me is a Christmas tree. I can hear Santa ho-ho-hoing in the back. We're gonna check out the shops and the restaurants around this mall. Now we're here during the stay-at-home order, so all the eating establishments are only takeout. So we're not gonna be able to eat anywhere, but we're gonna check out this beautiful mall. And it's one of the newer malls around the San Diego area. It's just really far down off of Olympic Parkway. Now, if you guys are discovering my channel for the first time, please hit that subscribe button. Also hit that notification bell so you can find out when I go live, because I do live streams around San Diego every week, and when my new videos come out. Also guys, please hit that like button. It really helps the distribution of this video throughout YouTube. And if you want to support me even further on my travels in 2021, I have a Patreon where I offer exclusive content and really special deals to people who join in the month of December. Also guys, Holiday 20 is the promo code if you want to pick up merchandise from my Teespring and pick up a hoodie like this, a Jaycation hoodie like this. Check it out, Holiday 20. All right, Jaycationers, let's check out Otay Ranch Town Center. So this is the usual food pavilion. Nothing going on here. And check it out, guys. They got Santa right over this way. Check that out, Christmas at East Lake. Now, East Lake is a neighborhood here in South San Diego, which is a really nice high school. Adrian Gonzalez, a former Padre, went to that school, and I used to play baseball over there. Check this out. They have a little Nestle Toll House cafe here. Grab some shakes and some cookies or some coffee. There's Santa. Hi, Santa. Hi, Merry Christmas. Awesome. Santa's following me. I haven't been that lucky in a while. So what's really unique about this mall is that cars drive through it and there's parking spots. So it almost feels like you're in a town center. There's a School of Rock here, Cotton On. This is literally like maybe the third or fourth time I've ever been to this mall. I went here a long time ago, right when it opened up, just to check it out. Got some yoga going on here. And right across the way, there's a Macy's. Get into any trouble, there's the Chula Vista Otay Ranch Police Department. Oh, check this out. There's a Namaste Fitness here, a Club Pilates, and Planet Fitness. So a lot of fitness things going on out here, and they're all outdoors right now because of all the guidelines. The vans right here. Otay Ranch Center is promoted as over 100 stores and about 25 restaurants. Unfortunately, those restaurants aren't open. Now there's your Planet Fitness. And check this out, there's a place called Taquera Revolucion Street Tacos. You can pick up your street tacos because we're only like 3 exits away from the border. There's your Club Pilates, right next to a GNC, and people working out outdoors. And this right here is an SD Local Collective. We're approaching the Tidal Boxing Club. Wow, so they're really health conscious here in Otay Ranch. Tons of spots, and it looks like they're trying to stay open, but it's still a ghost town over here. And there's a Macy's along the way, right next to this store called Barking Spot. Looks like it's closed. And there's another Hanukkah, another happy Hanukkah. I do like the poinsettias around here. So the School of Rock, they are open. Face mask required, social distance, and stay home if you're sick. Looking for the H&M? Well, it's right here, across from the food pavilion, and where you can find Santa. Need to get your brows done? They got Brow Arc here. Looks like it's closed. Next to Military Mutual, because there are a lot of military families that live around here. This store is called Waikiki, and they do have a ton of eating areas here for the Novo Brewing Company. Oh, I've heard of this place before. I've got their beers at Bevmo before. And right across the way is their Apple store, right next to a Sephora. This is the Rocky Mountain Chocolate Factory. Check out the bear with the Santa hat. And it's crazy, I was just over at the Bath & Body Works, passing by it over at the outlet center. This Bath & Body Works, no line. The one at the outlet center, oh man, lines everywhere. Right across the way is a Barnes and Noble. And on this roundabout is this giant Christmas tree that looks really nice. A lot of young families and people that want to save a little on buying newer homes, they come down south here to Otay because housing prices seem to be a little lower and a little more affordable, if you can say that. And yeah, it's really nice. There's a lot of condominium complexes here and housing developments coming up over in the Otay Ranch area. Also across the street, they have a Walmart. There's a Max's restaurant, Max's chicken restaurant around here. And yeah, there's tons of other places like Home Depot that you can shop around nearby. Right across the way is Jersey Mike's Subs. Over here are a few other stores. There's a restaurant, there's a Sushi-ya, and a Party City. Right here is an El Pollo Grill Mexican food restaurant. Unfortunately, right now, they're not offering dine-in or outdoor seating, so I think you can only get takeout. Right along this archway is the Mts Station. This is the bus station where they'll pick you up and take you around. And all the neighborhoods are just across the street. So if you're trying to get to Otay Ranch Town Center, the exit is Olympic Parkway. And there's also a toll road that leads to East County of San Diego that you can take, but you have to pay that toll, I think. Right here is Cheesecake Factory. And it looks like the Cheesecake Factory is closed, maybe just for takeout. Down this way, you can go to a CPK, a Buffalo Wild Wings, and Karina's Mexican food. And when movies start popping up again, there's an AMC just right down the way. But yeah, this area is definitely a ghost town with all the restaurants over here and the movie theaters, because obviously those places are not going to stay open. You got the Barnes and Noble right here and the Starbucks. And this is the Buffalo Wild Wings right here. Across the way from Karina's Mexican seafood cuisine. So this looks like a really nice area when open for a Friday night or a weekend to have some brunch or some dinner. I'm sure a lot of people come here and it's hopping when the pandemic is not in full effect. There's Karina's Mexican seafood cuisine. We love mariscos. This is the Hollister. I like the garland they have up here. Little festiveness. I'm gonna have to check out that Novo Brazil Brewing Co. eventually. All right guys, so we just made our whole lap around here, and as you can tell, pretty much a ghost town, especially with what's going on here in the world. So we're gonna get out of here pretty soon. Welcome to the Children's Chalk Garden and Popper Fountain. A few other spots here. Hot dog on a stick. Well, I love hot dog on a stick and their lemonade. And they're open. There's actually a local library over here. Pretty cool. Now this is out of order right now, but that's awesome. Karaoke box. A lot of young Filipino families live around this area, so the karaoke box is probably put in a good use every now and then. And check out this awesome walkway with your palm trees leading into condominiums. All right, Jaycationers, so that will do it from Otay Ranch Town Center. Pretty quiet over here during the pandemic, but a very nice, luxurious mall in the south side of San Diego. A lot of young families live around here, and the houses seem to be a little cheaper down this way. A little more affordable, I guess you could say. Anyways, guys, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps distribute this video throughout YouTube. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can find out when I have my live streams go live and when my new videos come out. Also, check out my Patreon if you want to support me throughout my travels in the year 2021. I have special member exclusives and giveaways if you were to join in the month of December. Check out my Teespring if you want to get some Jaycation merch like this. 20% off in the month of December. Holiday 20 is the 20% off coupon code. All right, Jaycationers, more of Vlogmas to come around San Diego. So we'll see you guys in the next video. Feliz Navidad, and in the words of Ron Burgundy, stay traveling, San Diego.